Emergency service.
Right, my mother's just been shot. Keeper's Cottage shut. My mother's just been shot. Keeper's Cottage stud. Keeper's Cottage stud.
Service, just to have the car.
Right, I need the police to come to Keeper's Cottage stud. I'm running for my life.
Alright, where was it happened?
It's just shot my mum, John Lowe.
Sorry, what's your phone address?
Keeper's Cottage stud.
Yeah. Is that in Farnham?
Rafferty knows. Rafferty, please get here.
Okay, alright.
I'm going to go back to it. Bye.
Alright, is the patient freezing?
I'm running in the house. I don't know if he's going to shoot me.
Okay, has someone been shot, did you say?
Yes, get Rafferty.
Okay.
Get Rafferty. I don't know whether I'm going to be alive if I go back in there.
Right guys, welcome back. Today I've not got the most jolly video. What you've just heard is a phone call that Lucy Lee made just before she was brutally murdered by John Lowe. Seconds after her phone call finished, she was shot in the back of the head with a shotgun. Moments before this, her mother was also brutally killed in this house. So, let's have a look around the house and see what's left behind. Alright guys, Extreme Urbex, Seb with me today, reunited. He showed me this place, so shout out to him, thanks Seb. Right, so we're just going to have a look around this like little conservatory bit. Oh my god. Record player.
Oh, record player, yeah.
Wow, right. That's awesome. Got a needle in there. Wow. These sofas. It's weird to think that, you know, this murderer, John Lowe, this would have been where he chilled out. You know, he'd have sat in here. And this would have been such a nice room. And it's sort of sick to think that such a nasty person would get such a nice life. I mean, obviously he doesn't now, he's in prison, but yeah, he did not deserve to even live, well, didn't, in my opinion, doesn't deserve to live anywhere outside of prison ever again. I don't think he will. I think he's in there for life.
Yeah, he's not coming out.
Alright guys, we're going into the next room. Now this is a bit dark, but it would have been the little living room area. And this was where Lucy Lee's mum was killed. Carpet has been removed because obviously the forensics and all that took it away. It was obviously bloodstained. Alright guys, so we're going to come into the kitchen. Wow. Look in here. This is like the man drawer. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, Luke, follow me through here, man. Look at this stuff.
Oh, Millie's cookies, mate.
He's got a safe in here.
Whoa. I'll see. Oh, that was in there, wasn't it? And
Yeah, it's
then
been wrenched out the wall by the looks of it.
yeah, someone's grabbed that out. That's crazy. What is that? Would that have been a fireplace?
Electric fire. House fire because of this cable. That was a fake fire.
Wow. What's up there?
Might find some more coins out there.
I don't know what you guys can see, but yeah. Wow. It's back out into the conservatory. No, it's a nice little cottage.
Yeah, it was up in its day.
Back in the room where the mum was killed. Right, let's go out into this bit of the conservatory. it's all sort of hollowed out. This is crazy. Right guys, look at this. That's John Lowe's shotgun cleaning kit.
What's that on the floor?
There's an old, is that a knife? Ben?
Yeah, it's an old sort of handle of some tool.
Oh, look at that. That's crazy.
So in here is John Lowe's old shotgun cleaning kit.
Look, they cut the skirting board out here, look, to fit it flush against the wall like I have to do when I fit them. And these are the coach bolts where the safe was, and you can see here if you look up the line.
they've took that, haven't they?
Where it is, but the police obviously have pulled it off, got rid of it, 'cause that's the 12mm coach bolts that they use.
Yeah.
Box your resin in. But you can see where the safe was, and that's why the sound of this safe, it would have been a 5 to 7 gun safe. Yeah.
He knows his guns, this man.
Yeah.
Right. This is where John Lowe would have gone to sleep. Two bedrooms, but they're interconnected. So that's a bit odd. Look at here. We're going to go out later, but that's the rest of his land. We're going to go and have a look at the dog kennels. Because one thing that I forgot to mention at the beginning was he also murdered 4 dogs. Because he didn't want the dogs to be rehomed. He didn't think anyone could handle them, so he just outright just put them down. Which
He was known by PCA.
yeah, it was he said he knew the right,
Flea-ridden
didn't he?
dogs, dogs with kidney problems. He was not the greatest of dog owners.
No, he had like another 4 little dogs that lived in the house, and he allowed them to be rehomed, but not the big dogs, like Alsatians and stuff.
Yeah. He had a load of chihuahuas, I think.
Let's have a look. Oh, that is rank up there. Oh. I don't even want to put my head up there. It's dodgy. You can see all those vans. Completely abandoned and trashed. Let's have a look around the grounds and see what we can find. There's the house, guys. Gonna check out his van. It's all been smashed because obviously a lot of people hated what he did. They came to destroy his property. Whoa. It's his glasses, look. Well, I assume it's his glasses. Wow. Right guys, check this out. How creepy is this? God. So there's like a little divider and a gate. Guess he'd wash his hands or something here. I don't know. Whoa. This is creepy. What do you think? Check that out, guys. Look, there's a little jar or something there. I ain't putting my hand in that. Look at that. Ooh. out, guys. Not only did he have dogs and horses, but birds as well. This one over here, I'm not sure what we would have had in there, but it's quite a big one. You might have had some sort of chimpanzee or something. Nah, I don't know. Something a bit larger, maybe it's larger birds. We can actually go in. Side of it's come off. But yeah, I don't know, guys. It's pretty awesome though. I don't know what's in here through this window. Just a room, I think, where he'd feed them from. Amazing, but sad location to visit. Eerie. Right, guys, that is that for that video. Thanks for watching. I've never been to a more eerie place in my life. A place where murders actually happened. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see some more, and I'll see you next time.